today we'll be making pandan magic ice cream. It's only 22,000 rupiah here, and you can find them in a supermarket like Alfamart, Indomart, or any mart, to be honest. You only need like 300 milliliter of cold milk or cold water in a bowl, and of course the magic ice cream. So let's just get cooking, I guess. It comes in a small package and a medium one. It's so small compared to the box. Then I can add in there. Let's open it. It's white. I thought it would be chocolate. Maybe this is the cocoa powder. Instructions. And by the way, there's the instructions here behind. Okay, let's open.
Itu nanti. Itu nanti kalau udah jadi.
Oh, ini chocolate chips ya? Chocolate chips. So guys, this is the chocolate chips. After putting the powder, you're gonna pour the 300 milliliter of milk or cold water. Cold milk or cold water. And you're gonna take a mixer and first put it to level power 1.
A few moments later.
Bilanglah, sini samping kakak Dedek. Dek, kasih space, Dek. Kasih space dia. Biar di samping kamu. Terus kenalin namanya siapa?
Udah lah, udah beberapa kali. Udah kayak anak tadi dia.
Ayo. And Claire will
Chocolate chip. So Claire will pour the chocolate chips. Okay, Dedek boleh kalau sama boleh. Iya mah. Ini kan. There you go. It says you must.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
dah.
Dan see less effort. I still see those chocolate chips right there. Ouch! Sorry. Okay, there's still some chocolate chips around. Come on.
Oke. Mau di fridge berapa lama? 8 jam.
No. Okay, after putting the chocolate chips in and mixing it on power 1 so it doesn't destroy the chocolate chips, you're gonna put this in like a bowl or something, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge for around 8 till 10 hours, up to you. The minimum of 8 hours per week.
Let's spin it.
Bilang, okay, see you.
Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, see you in 10 hours, I guess. Bye.
10 hours is so long.
Approximately 10 hours later.